I've got back from absolute filth, the only sober member of our entire house. The bunch of my house, the rest of my house are fucking wasted. Hattie is successfully ringing the boyfriend. Elliot's fucked out his face. Look at him! Look at him! Look at his eyes! Look at his eyes! And James and Mel have some kind of munchies right now. Look at Mel's cooking these nice eggs. Say hello, man.
Hey.
Who are you? What is this? Is this just a video?
Yeah, this is.
Good.
James, how drunk are you right now? Oh, I believe the last member of. Oh no, the last member is not of Black of my house. Hattie's just fucking wasted still. I'm pretty sure her boyfriend's not okay with this 4 AM ringing. I'm not okay with being woken up at 4 AM. See? Now she's getting abusive. Now the wild Hattie is getting abusive. Oh, she's smelling meat. She has to have the food now. Elliot!
Hey me. I am to fucking spin hard.
Well, so the wild Elliot is fucked out his face. He's got a 9 AM tomorrow. I don't think he's gonna make it. He's gonna be wasted when he wakes up tomorrow morning.
Bye, guys.
Mel's going upstairs to masturbate and eat her meat, which she usually does when she goes to bed.
What are you doing?
I'm making a documentary on.
Is that mine?
Oh no, it's mine.
Fuck it, let's all down vodka.
James wants to drink more. Potentially
I will kill
a
myself.
horrible mistake.
I will kill myself watching this. You sound like you're on an acid.
Hattie's going to cry soon. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's a mess. She's a mess. They're both messes. They're all messes, and I'm not. James stole a sign, by the way. Everyone. Good.